Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the black screen on your Xbox One. So the first thing you want to go ahead and do is flip over your Xbox One and then go to the back and make sure your HDMI cable is plugged into the HDMI out and not the HDMI in. If you plug it into the HDMI in slot right here, you will not get a signal on your Xbox One. Now the second thing we want to go ahead and do is completely reset and restart everything from our Xbox One to our TV. So I'm going to unplug the power cord and then leave this unplugged for approximately 1 to 2 minutes and then plug it back in. And then do the same thing for the TV. So unplug the TV and also unplug all the HDMI cables and then plug them back in. Then if you have like a power strip or something like that, just simply turn this off and then turn it back on. Also, you might have a faulty HDMI cable, so try using a different cable. Otherwise, flip the Xbox One end around and then plug this end into the TV and then the TV end into the Xbox One. Now we can try starting our Xbox One into the low resolution mode. And sometimes the resolution will be incompatible with the TV, so it's not going to display an image. And this often happens when I go to like a hotel or something like that. Well, to reset the resolution, hold down the eject button right here, and then also hold down the Xbox button. And hold both of these down for about 20 seconds. And it's not going to start right away, and the power's not going to kick in. Maybe about 5 seconds later it will. But continue to hold it down until you hear a chime. So once we hear the chime, after about 20 seconds, we can go ahead and let go. Now, if the resolution was the problem, we should be seeing a black bar on the top and bottom of the screen in the left and right. Then we can just simply go to Settings and Display Options and change the resolution back to normal. So let's go over to Settings now and then select this. Then under General, go to TV and Display Options, go to Resolution, and go to the highest possible resolution that your TV is supported, so it looks the best. Now we need to go ahead and turn off our Xbox One once again. So to get into the low resolution mode and the troubleshooting menu, we have to completely turn it off by holding down the power button right here. And then when it's completely turned off, then we can launch it into these additional modes. Now we're going to launch into the troubleshooting menu. So hold down the eject button, then the sync button down here on the black part underneath the Xbox button. Hold both of these down at the same time. Now go ahead and hold down the Xbox button. So just continue to hold this down for about 20 seconds. Then you'll hear that chime. And your Xbox One will launch into the troubleshooting menu. So I heard a second chime now. And then I'm going to let go. So under this menu, we have the option to reset this Xbox, restore factory defaults. We can keep games and apps and completely redo all the operating system, all the information. So this says erase all accounts, saved games, settings, and home Xbox associations, but keep installed games and apps. So you don't have to download those again. Otherwise, you can remove everything and start fresh right here. So most of the time, I would say just go to keep games and apps unless you're going to be reselling it. Then, if that doesn't work, we can go to offline system update, where we have to go to xbox.com/Xbox One/offline update. And you have to download it to a USB drive and then plug that USB drive into the front of the Xbox One, and then you should be able to select this option right here and you can update your Xbox One. So if you went through like some sort of catastrophic error on your Xbox One, this is probably something you want to go ahead and do and reinstall the system software. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech reviews coming up next on Your 6 Tech.